Have you ever pondered the delicate balance of energies that makes our world work? Let's dive deep into this fascinating topic. Everything in our world, from the smallest atom to the vast expanse of the cosmos, is a complex dance of energies. These energies exist in various forms, like physical energy that moves objects, thermal energy that warms us, and even the emotional energy that influences our moods and actions. But today we're exploring a unique kind of energy, an energy that's woven into the very fabric of life itself. This energy is not based on the laws of physics, but rather on the universal law of gender. This law is about the male and female energies that exist in all of us and in the world around us. Now, you might be wondering, what does gender have to do with energy? Well, just as positive and negative charges create balance in an atom, male and female energies create balance in our world. They are the two halves that complete the whole, the yin and yang of life itself. The male energy is creative, practical, and farsighted. It's the energy that drives innovation and progress, the force that propels us towards our goals. But like all energies, it needs balance. Unchecked, it can become aggressive, causing conflict and disruption. On the other hand, we have the female energy. It's intelligent, nurturing, and intuitive. It's the energy that fosters growth and sustains life, the force that brings harmony and stability. But again, balance is key. Without the counterbalance of male energy, it can become overly passive, stifling progress and innovation. The trick then is to balance these energies, to harmonize the creative drive of male energy with the nurturing stability of female energy. This balance is the secret to a prosperous and peaceful world, a world where every individual can thrive. So, do you ever wonder how these energies manifest in our daily lives? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of energy balance. Imagine a world where the sun and the moon coexist harmoniously, each taking its turn to illuminate the sky. The sun, in all its blazing glory, is a symbol of male energy. It's robust, creative, and practical. It brings light to the world, enabling life to flourish. But the sun's intensity can be overwhelming. It can create parched deserts and scorching heat waves. This is the unbalanced male energy manifesting as anger and conflict. Now, consider the moon, a beacon in the night, representative of female energy. It's intelligent, nurturing, and intuitive. The moon's light is gentler, providing a soothing glow in the darkness. It influences the tides, ensuring the rhythm of life continues unabated. But a world with only the moon's light would be a world of perpetual darkness and cold. This is what happens when female energy is not balanced with the male energy. So how does the universe maintain equilibrium? It's simple. The sun and the moon alternate in the sky, each taking its turn to shine. The sun dominates the day, while the moon rules the night. They're different, but they complement each other perfectly. Each provides what the other lacks, creating a harmonious balance. This dance of the sun and moon is a metaphor for the balance of male and female energies. Just like the sun and moon, these energies are different, but they are meant to complement each other. The male energy provides the drive and creativity, while the female energy offers nurturing and intuition. When these energies are balanced, they create a harmonious whole, just like the day and night cycle. But when one energy dominates, the balance is disrupted, leading to conflict or stagnation. The trick then is to strive for balance in our own lives, allowing both our male and female energies to shine in their own time. Just like the sun and moon, male and female energies are different, yet they complement each other perfectly. Now that we've explored the balance of energies, it's time to delve into the universal law of gender. This profound law is the concept that everything in the universe carries a masculine or feminine energy. From the swirling galaxies in the cosmos down to the smallest particles of matter, each embodies either a masculine or feminine essence. Let's consider the masculine energy first. This energy is often associated with qualities like creativity, practicality, and foresight. It's that driving force that propels ideas into action, that spark that ignites innovation. However, if unchecked, this energy can manifest as anger and conflict. On the other hand, we have the feminine energy. This energy is synonymous with intelligence, intuition, and nurturing. It's the energy that provides sustenance, that fosters growth. But just like the masculine energy, the feminine energy too needs to be balanced, lest it overwhelm with excessive emotion or sensitivity. The key is to strike a balance between these two energies. Just like the yin and yang of ancient Chinese philosophy, these masculine and feminine energies need to coexist harmoniously, complementing and counterbalancing each other. They are not opposing forces, but rather two halves of a whole that together form the complete picture of existence. Now, let's discuss an interesting aspect of this law, the concept of the gestation period. Much like a seed that requires time to germinate and grow into a plant, our desires and dreams too have a gestation period. They need time to grow and mature before they can manifest in the material world. This concept reminds us to be patient and trust in the process of life. Understanding this law can help us see the world in a new light, and perhaps even help us find balance in our own lives. It's a reminder that we are all part of a grand cosmic dance, where every step, every movement, is guided by the rhythm of the universal law of gender. Stay tuned as we continue this fascinating journey into the realm of energies, balance, and the universe itself. Let's further understand the characteristics of these energies. Male energy, for instance, is creative, practical, and far-sighted. This energy is often associated with action and decision-making. It's like the wind that pushes the sails of a boat, driving us forward, helping us to chart our course. However, like any force of nature, when it's unbalanced, it can cause a storm. An excess of male energy can manifest as anger, aggression, and conflict. It's like a tempest at sea, causing chaos and destruction. Now let's consider the female energy. When balanced, it is intelligent, nurturing, and intuitive. It's a calming presence, like the nurturing soil that cradles the seed, providing it the nutrients it needs to grow. This energy is often associated with understanding, compassion, and empathy. It's the gentle rain that nourishes the earth, allowing life to flourish. However, just as a drought can wither the most vibrant garden, a lack of female energy can lead to a lack of empathy, understanding, and intuition. It can leave us feeling disconnected and unfulfilled. So, you see, both these energies have their strengths and their pitfalls, and neither is superior to the other. They're like two sides of a coin, each unique but both necessary for the whole. The key, then, is balance. It's about harnessing the creative and practical aspects of the male energy while also tapping into the intelligent, nurturing, and intuitive nature of the female energy. It's about allowing these energies to work in harmony, like the ebb and flow of the tides, each complementing the other. So how do we achieve this balance? It starts with self-awareness, with recognizing and understanding these energies within us. It's about learning to navigate the seas of our emotions, to steer our ship with wisdom and compassion. Remember, the world is not a battlefield, but a dance floor, and the dance of life is not about dominance, but about balance and harmony. The male and female energies within us are partners in this dance. They need each other to create a beautiful performance. Balancing these energies is the trick to a harmonious existence. So we've journeyed through the balance of energies, the universal law of gender, and the characteristics of male and female energies. What a fascinating trip it's been, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. We began with the balance of energies, understanding that the world we live in is a complex interplay of forces. These energies are not just present in the cosmos, but within us as well. We've grasped that every individual carries within them a delicate balance of male and female energies, each with their unique characteristics. We delved into the universal law of gender, acknowledging that these energies are not a mere societal construct, but a fundamental law of the universe, a divine plan, if you will. This law is not about the physicality of being male or female. It's about the inherent qualities these energies represent and their vital role in creating and sustaining life. We then explored the distinct characteristics of these energies. The male energy, creative, practical, and far-sighted, has the potential to drive us towards our goals. However, without balance, it could lead to conflict and anger. On the other hand, the female energy, intelligent, nurturing, and intuitive, can provide us with the wisdom and care we need. But again, balance is the key. Understanding and harmonizing these energies can lead to a more fulfilling life. A life where we are not driven by one energy, but where we harness both, using their strengths to complement each other. This isn't a one-time task, but an ongoing journey of self-awareness and growth. Remember, every energy has its place and purpose. Balance is the key, Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening discussions. Until next time, stay balanced.